Hey, how's it going? My name is Austin Jarabalan. I'm a student here at Jones Technical Institute. I'm in Walt Hepner's automatic transmission class, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your reverse input clutch assembly here. And we're going to check the backing plate tolerance clearance here with a feeler gauge, and we're going to install it to the pump and air check it from here to check the new seals that we installed. And to begin, you have a series of steels and frictions that have to be put in order, and depending on your transmission, it's gonna, you have to look up your service information for that. And the first thing that's gonna go down is a beveled spring right here, and then a steel, friction, steel, friction, steel, friction, another steel, and one more friction, and then your backing plate here. And it's the one with the beveled edge. This is where the O-ring or snap ring is gonna sit on top of, lock it in place. And now we're gonna get the snap ring in. Alright, got it all assembled for you. In the reverse, this is the reverse input clutch again, and we're gonna, the tolerance is 40 thousandths to 75 thousandths. We've already actually checked it, and this is set to 58 thousandths. You're gonna want to slide it under the snap ring here. You're gonna feel slight drag, and that's it, and it's within spec. Now we're gonna install it to the pump to check the seals that we installed, make sure they're sealing properly. We're gonna air check it with some sharp air. And that's what you want to see. The clutch is engaging like that, and that's how you do that. Thank you for watching the video.